701 days on your Hang Fear Grid Index at 17%, which is extreme fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at 31.4k. Finally, it's trading above the 30k area. We are getting some confirmation there. On a weekly time frame, we had 9 red days in a row, and finally we're having some nice bounce again. On a weekly, if you're gonna have a close above 31.3k, would be perfectly for us to have some signs of a breakout and reversal, to have at least some dead cat bounce. So on a daily time frame, MACD green phase, RSI looking neutral. On a weekly time frame, finally we are having some curves to the upside from a current red phase, which is pretty big one. Also on a RSI on a weekly time frame is still oversold, so there's the BTC dominance is still pumping, currently sitting at 46.7%. Again, majority of people still investing in a Bitcoin rather than altcoins. So that's pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. Today with some positive news. First news are coming from Brazilian Development Bank, which is about to launch blockchain network, which would be called Brazilian Blockchain Network. So this structure is designed to aid other institutions in the country, plus it's increasing public transparency because it's a blockchain. Also, Kazakhstan makes $1.5 million from crypto mining sector in this quarter. Again, recently Kazakhstan made a mining bill or a mining law to that was introduced in Kazakhstan, so now they making some money on mining fees based on this law. Also, South Korea to invest $170 million directly in the metaverse platforms. Again, South Korea is one of the first countries to put funds in this field, and the biggest country right now that is with the biggest investment that is currently happening in a metaverse as a government investment. Also, World Bank disapproves Central African Republic that is currently on a Bitcoin legal tender trajectory. Again, you need to understand World Bank is only making recommendations. It's not an order, because some people are making a big deal out of the World Banks and all of those how you call it, IMF. So they just making, again, recommendations. It's not an order. It's like, don't make a big deal of it again. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA news for today. Obviously hoping for a nice reversal, confirmation out of the breakout, confirmation of breakout out of the 30k resistance area, and obviously 40k is our next target we should have a breakout out of. And obviously in the next months we're gonna see what's gonna be there. So yeah, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon.